4.2, determine the equation of ellipse with center and foci. 4.2 ellipse. We have a definition. Ellipse is the set of point P in a plane such that the sum of the distance from P to two fixed points is constant. And the two fixed points are the foci, which is this one, the fixed point, and the set of point P. Sum of the distance. Okay, this one and this one, or some, whether it's P1 or it's here, but the sum of the distance will be the same. Or here. So this shape is called ellipse. The straight line passing through F1, F2, we call it the major axis, which is this one, the straight line passing the F1, F2. The center is the midpoint between the F1, F2. We have the F1 here, we have F2. The midpoint is the center, this one. And straight line passing through the center of the ellipse and perpendicular to the major axis. Okay, it must be passing through the center. It's called the minor axis, which is this one. This one is the minor axis. The ellipse is symmetrical about both the major and minor. So we can say that from here to here and from here to here is the same distance. From here to here and from here to here is the same distance. Same goes to here or here to here. So everything must be symmetrical. Okay, first we look at the equation of the ellipse. But we look at the two types of the ellipse. So it's either this one, the horizontal one, or the vertical one. Let's say we focus on the horizontal one first. So as you can see here, the equation is, we can say that the value of A must be bigger than the value of B. So it must be on horizontal shape. So we look at center here. The major axis is this one, major axis. So you can see the foci have fixed value of K with the center. So the K is the X value. No, the K is Y coordinate. The K is Y coordinate. So we know that the Y coordinate is the maintain, is the same for the foci and the center, and the vertices for the major axis. The difference value in X coordinate, okay, as you can see here, there is a H minus A, H minus C, H, this is H for center, H plus C, H plus A. So X coordinate has different value, but the value of K is constant. So we know that it is the horizontal shape. Okay, we move on to this one, the vertical shape. As we can see here, the value of B is greater than A. So the major axis is this one, parallel to the Y axis. They are parallel. And we can see here the X coordinate is the same for the foci. The value of the X coordinate is the same for the foci and center X coordinate. So we can see here the value of K, which is the Y coordinate, will change. Then we know that is on vertical ellipse. But take note on that. Take note on the value of X coordinate. It's the same for the foci and foci, center, and the vertices. The foci only on the major axis. Then we know that it's a vertical ellipse. That's the formula that we have. Okay, again. So if we have constant value, the same value coordinate of the Y, which is the value of K for the center and foci for the vertices. So they are in horizontal ellipse. And then if they have the same value of x coordinate for the center, foci, and vertices for the major axis, so it must be vertical ellipse. Okay, then we are learning about the value of A. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? So from the center to the vertex in X, this one is the A, the value of A. The length of the center to the vertex here is the A. So that's why H plus A, and this one H minus A. And the B is the value from center to this one. So this is the B. So this is the Y, because it's measured up and down. So this is the value of the length of the center to this vertex is B. And same goes to here. From here to here is A, and from here to here is B. Okay, and from center to foci, is the length is C. Same goes to here. From the center to the foci, the length is C. Okay, so we remember A represent for the X movement, and B is represent for the Y coordinate movement, and the C, it measure from the center to the foci. It doesn't matter on the Y coordinate or in X coordinate. Okay, the C is must from the C center to the foci, the length of it. So here is the overall summary for it. So we have for this one is for the horizontal, this one is for the vertical one. So we can say that for the horizontal, the X coordinate will change for the major and the foci. Okay, let's change coordinate of the X, but for the minor it has the same one, the same H, because if calculated one. And we know that the major axis is the length is 2A. From here to here is 2A, and length 2B is from here to here is B, length 2B. And how to get the C? If you have the A and B, that's it. So C square, because A is greater than B, so A square minus B square. Okay, and for this one, because we know that B is greater than A, so B square minus A square, you got C square. So it's easy, you take which one is bigger minus the smaller one. And then this one, for the major axis, we have this major axis. It's different in terms of Y coordinate with the foci. Okay, Y coordinate is different. And the minor axis, the Y coordinate will be the same. And the length, okay, the length from here to here is the measure 2B, and from here is the length 2A. And the equation, this one, don't forget, because I didn't mention it. Okay, this is the equation of the ellipse. It's just the same for both horizontal or vertical. The difference is the value of A is bigger than B in horizontal ellipse. The value of B is greater than A in vertical ellipse. Okay, this is a comparison between horizontal and vertical ellipse. The information on the formula. That's it.